What kalirim rin ang pay tayo di kalibul accident.
Even when you're buying a used car, you're checking it well that it has not gone through any accidents.
Tayo kalirap check bahate kata kanu tam your life partner.
So if you're checking even these vehicles, how much more do you check upon your life partner?
Amen.
Amen.
Mdera bang ani yo du no ani kadur chung bahabriu. Belaban bahabriu kadur yo kas jinglong pa yo di bus dia tips no.
So don't go by the physical beauty. You also need to take care to make sure that he also has a good personality.
Kan mau em kadur stang kanu la teman.
Because a face will definitely one day grow old.
Stang kanu la sti.
Sure, it will wrinkle.
Stang kanu la ran.
Sure, it will wrinkle enough.
Tenlem no tadalaran isi no.
So would you hate that face then?
Kadita wa jupet re ya ka dur khmat.
So don't go by the looks.
Hape ya kadono to briu e nyum e ju try ne ta briu ka e nya kam e ju try.
So you have to seek the heart of this person, if this person loves the Lord or not.
But ngangej.
And I
Ba
believe
ye e lang em kan long ka yin ka jong noa ya sung thu jing mot lang bat kum ta la ban tei lang ka ta ka yin.
if both the partners love the Lord first, they can establish and build their house.